This tutorial we have the integer variable with the initial value 5. So it means that in here we will have the 5 will be installed inside the memory of NAND. So in here we have 5 stored inside the memory of NAND, as you see in here. And then we go to the switch statement. For the switch statement, you see that it will use the variable NAND to compare with each case. So let's go to the first case. The first case, you will see that the value of the first case is 3. So we will compare the value of the first case with the variable NAND. So in here we will compare that NAND equal 3 or not. So you see that the value of NAND is 5, right? So 5 equal 3. You see that the statement 5 equal 3 is 4. So this means we write 4 like this. So when the condition is 4, it means that the program will skip. So skip this case. So when the program skip the case, it will go to the next case. So in here we go to the second case, and the value for the second case is 2. So we compare the value of variable NAND with 2, right? So you will see that we replace the value of NAND is 5. So 5 equal 2. You see that the statement 5 equal 2 is 4. So we write 4. So the condition 4, this means the program will skip. So skip this case like this and go to for the next case. But in here we just have only 2 cases. So the next is default. For the default in switch statement, it will execute when none of the case match, right? So this one is mean that execute when none of the case match, like this. So it means that we have 2 cases, but 2 cases no match at all. So the program will go to for the default and do operation in the default without any condition. So this means that the program will go inside in here and run this statement. So this statement console variable, you print out the value D to the console. And then if you go to the next statement, the next statement is break. The statement break will end the default. So it means that we end the default like this. So the program will stop at here. So it means that the running result will be what? Let's see here. Final running result will be what? Will be in the default, right? So in the default, it print D. So it will be like this. So to confirm that it's correct or not, just run the program. Control F5 on the keyboard. So now you see that the result will be like this, right? So it just print only 3 D to the console, you see here. It means that our explanation is correct.